Hey, hi everyone. This is Ilavarasan from Solutions Teams. So, I today I'll walk you through our new Hero release, Hero 1.0.09. So, I'll explain how to install and configure Hero on your machines. So, once you get that receive the package bundle of the Hero, so you will have your Linux machine or some other Linux flavor of the machines. So before you start installing, so make sure that it was fulfilling the prerequisites of the Hero. Let's quickly explain what are the prerequisites. So you need to have a Docker and Docker Compose version on a particular requirement. Let's see how you can check. So the minimum requirement is Docker engines 18 and Docker Compose above 1.23. And so by as you can see, my I have installed the Docker 27, and the minimum requirement is 20 above 18. So it's satisfied the prerequisite. So I have installed Docker and Docker Compose. Similarly, you have the hardware requirement. The CPUs above 4 and RAM above 24 and swamp above 1 GB. So make sure you run the Linux command and it's fulfilling that prerequirement. So before start installation. So this is on the Docker side and that system requirement. And one more thing, if you are using a Linux machine, and make sure that the user you are using, right, so that has the permission to install the Hero. So most of the cases our client doesn't have that certain privilege to run the Hero, so that might be an issue. It will be arise later. Make sure those prerequisites are fulfilled. Okay, once these prerequisites are fulfilled, you can directly jump into the installation process. You already got that HCL 1.0.09 version of the Hero from our portal. So we have Hero on two flavors. One is called offline, one is called online. Offline version doesn't need any internet requirement. So we'll ship our images of our Hero containers in the Hero images.tar. So if you're using an online flavor, so it's a lightweight, so we don't ship our images. That images will be downloaded from our HCL CRO. You just make sure that you have the correct login and password for the SCL CRO. So this installation procedure, I'll walk you through with offline version. There is no major no difference between online and offline installation. So everything will be taken care of for application itself. So let's get started. So this is the Linux machine I was using, and as you can see, I have that offline bundle SL 1.0.09 with me. So first step, I have received the bundle. I need to extract this bundle, okay, and start this installer of Hero. So as we compare to the previous version of the Hero, that all the steps and everything is more simplified. So even with only two steps, you will get installed with the Hero. Okay, let me now. I have the commands already with me, so I'm extracting the unzipping this tar. Yeah, as you can see, it was extracting the tar and images been extracting, and you will receive the installer and the certification as well. Okay, so once you extracted this one, so if you want to use the custom certificate, you just go to the cert fold and you just paste your hero key and cert instead of hero key and cert your certification. Then it will be loaded with the custom certification. Okay, and fourth point, you need to start this Hero. It's very simple. So first, just give the host name, the machine host name or IP address. That's a mandatory one, and the port number, which was free. So most of the cases we use 443, and so we have mentioned what is mandatory and what is not mandatory. So license check. So this time the license verification is more simplified. You can if you want to skip the license check, so you can skip. This will be automatically approve the license, you don't go through those cycle. And so the pre-registration also, if you skip this prerequisition, so it will skip this prerequisition, directly install the hero. So if you skip this one, it doesn't notify something a volume is low or something else, a docker this version, so it doesn't notify anything. So I would request you to have this skip prerequisition, not at the first time. So maybe if you are installing more than two times, twice or thrice the time, you can have this check. So otherwise it won't show any errors in this one. So once you form this installation command, so you just start this installation, so it will be smoothly install the hero. Okay, let's see these files are extra. Yeah, great, it was extracted. So I have a form that command. As you can see, this installer script, I have the host machine is 139. I'm skipping the license check, I'm skipping the pre-acquisition because I know that all the pre-acquisition for the hero I have matched right now. So I'm directly running this command to install hero. So uh, online offline, so offline version the command, everything is same, only the package is different, nothing much difference. Just so since it's offline version, just sit back and relax for a while until get this image get installed. So you are able to see one by one the containers getting installed. What we have listed here, these images will be installed. Images are started loading. Since it's not an online version, was loading from the tar, and you can see loading the images one by one. Tomcat is starting, so you can see nginx configurer elastic one by one get installed. So yeah, we are back, and our hero is installed on this path. Okay, and our key clock is on this link. So yeah, okay, before jump into this, let's see our all our containers are up and running, and we are good to go and go with that particular link and create our hero. Okay, before that, yeah, almost done post installation. So as you can see, this is we got this link here, dashboard link, and so the two users are available. One is test and admin user. So I'll log in with the admin and tell you how it likes. We are done. Post installation try, will try 70. Yeah, the Kibana index was creating, it will take some time to some backend operations. After that, we'll access this link and log in with our admin and SLCRO user. See here, I'm copying this one. Yeah, okay, it's done. I'm link and opening. Yeah. Oh, great. We are able to see our UI. I'm copying this password here. Okay, great. So we are logging admin, and I'm giving that password. Okay, good. So we landed on our SCL hero. So we are successfully installed our hero. Now, now you just configure your hero, and let's get utilize the full potential of our hero. So yes, you know that environment. So I'm creating environment for prods. So deploy, some collecting country. Yeah, adding. Okay, I created this environment. So I have in a prod and non-prod environments. I've created prod for now. Let's add everything is working or not. Okay, add a mission, add 223 and username, add a mission with me, DW user. Okay, DW user, and I'm just adding this mission. So I'll monitor the mission. Let's see, hero is completely installed, working fine. Okay, then I'm able to see the DWC, MDM, Liberty, and DB on everything of workflow automation. I'm enabling some log parsing if I needed. For now, I'm seeing great. Yeah, the machine was added successfully. Great. So yeah, so now I can able to enable monitors and KPIs. If you want, I can enable log parsing as well. And enabling log parsing, I activated this one. Okay, I think it's done. We are successfully install our hero and created an environment and added a mission, and more, we are successfully monitoring the mission. Yeah, so that's it about our hero installation and everything. So yeah, thank you.